finally, we're going to move on to our last problem of the day. And this is basic chain rule. So in the first question, we talked about power rule. So now I'm going to talk about chain rule. And the question reads, how do you find the derivative of y equals ln of 2x? So let me define what the chain rule is. So let's say that we have a function of a function, composition function, okay? So let's say that we have f of g of x, okay? So if we wanted to find the derivative of this function, right, f prime, let's say that is also equal to h of x. So let's say we wanted to find h of x. So h prime of x would equal f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So that is a chain rule. So to differentiate a compositional function, we take the derivative of the outside function and we leave the remaining inside function by itself, and we multiply it by the derivative of the inside function, all related to, I guess, a variable x, right? So how does it apply to our question here? Well, we see that this is a compositional function because we have a function inside the ln function, right? So if y equals ln 2 of x, right, y prime of x, I guess you can say, is the derivative of the outside function. So we know that ln of x, the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, right? But instead of x, we have 1 over 2x because we want to leave the inside function by itself times the derivative of the inside function. So the derivative of the inside function is just 2. So the 2's cancel out, and we have 1 over x. So that's the chain rule. So the junior tutor used a different notation, used Newton, and they used the Leibniz. But they came up with the same solution. They also used substitution, which is not necessary in this equation, this solution. But in the end, they came up with the same solution. So this is the correct solution. Good job. Cool. All right. So that wraps up today's lesson on some calculus and some derivatives. I hope that you guys learned something today. And I hope that if you guys have any other questions related to calculus, mainly grade 12 calculus to university calculus, please submit them to OneClass, and we'll try our best to solve them for you. But other than that, I hope that you guys learned something today, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you so much for listening, and I wish you guys a goodbye.